Good morning and welcome back and namaste viewers. I am back again with another video. Today my video is a fast detailing for this Ford Ecosport car. I will go for a very simple detailing so that it gives protection from UV rays in this summer and the pre-monsoonal showers. So we'll do it very fast and it will be very easy for you to do this job at home. We have brought some products. All the links will be in the description box. This is the Graphene Flex Wax, which we'll use as a protection. This is the tire polish, and the blue one is for your plastic claddings. And finally, we may use, we may not use. This is a polishing compound. If the area is too much scratchy, we'll use this product. We'll use for the bonnet area. 2 buckets of water and plenty of microfiber cloths. Now we'll start with the bonnet area. Now the first step will be we'll clean this area. We have already washed it, but still you see there are plenty of blood droppings and all this. So for this we'll use a waterless car wash, and first we dilute the area with the water. I will show you the bonnet area and some areas of the car, so the rest of the car surface will be the same. So now we have removed all the dirt and debris from the car surface. Now I will apply a waterless car wash. You can use plain shampoo water also. There is no need of wiping completely dry. A little bit of wet surface will be better for you to do this job. Now we can see there are some light scratches and some abrasions on this particular bonnet area. So in this area I will use a polishing compound. On the applicator I have moistened it with some water. We'll use this polishing compound. Very simple steps. Anybody at home can do this job. It is little bit old, that's why it has formed diluted. A little wet surface is beneficial for you. You see, most of the imperfections have gone. So allow it to dry for some time. Then we'll buff it off. Now we'll buff it off to a shine. আমি একটা নি হবে না ভিজা. The surface is still wet. There is too much moisture today. না হচ্ছে তুই আমার দিক দিয়ে ওদিকটা শুকায়নি, এই তো হয়ে গেছে। ভাঁজ করে নাও, তা নাহলে হবে না। There are some burn marks. I think some fireworks. Now you see the surface is smooth and most of the light scratches have gone. If you have deep scratches or if you see that metal has come out or the primer has come out, you can't do anything. But all the light scratches have been removed. Not a single scratch is left. Now I will apply the graphene coating.
ये आहिस्ते आहिस्ते पॉलिश करने से
हो जाए।
के जैसा हो जाएगा।
हाँ।
पॉलिश नहीं किया है कभी।
You may ask why graphene coating. The reason is it's easy to apply and you can also apply on any surface, and it gives excellent protection in UV rays and rain, because there is often occasional rain, and during rainy season what happens, wax based products normally pour off and it gives a white type of residue on the car body, but that thing won't happen with this type of product. So I will use graphene coating. Shake well with before you use this product. Don't apply too much as this will lead to streaking.
नहीं
2 to 3 sprays is more than enough for a car body like this. Now with a polishing cloth, very light cloth, I'll buff it off to a shine. Here you need not wait, just buff it off after applying the product.
शॉर्ट्स करेंगे।
Shorts देखना पड़ेगा।
Yes, what?
This area is finished and you can see the level of gloss and slickness this particular product has produced, and it is giving almost a showroom finish. Now let us complete the entire car and I will show you how it looks. बस Now it's ready for applying the graphene coat. We'll spread it yellow cloth. Now we'll buff it off with the polishing cloth. Now the glass areas, for what I will do, I will use plain clear water to clean the glass, and after that with this same graphene coated cloth I will rub the glass and apply a protection layer. That is the problem if you keep your car outside. Now apply that graphene coated yellow cloth from there. It's above the scooty. Now apply this polishing cloth. I will do the other side now. Now apply a specialty glass cleaner cloth. So this will remove all the oily residue of the polish. So you get a spotless clean glass with a graphene coating. Now I will take care of the black areas. Now with a plain cloth we'll wipe it dry. Okay. Now let's move to the side areas. I think there was a rat bite. You see, it is being torn. The car was kept in a place where there was rat attack. There are some torn areas. It has chewed up the plastic cowl top. Now we'll apply this plastic polish. কোথায় আছে ওই যে? In most of the cars you will see that it is best accessed applying some engine detailer spray, so it will keep your rubber and all these parts healthy. I will make a complete video later on, but for the time being okay, so I have taken care of the engine also, you can see. Now we will apply some tire polish. You know, this is one of my favorite tire detailing sprays. With a specialty tire applicator, we will apply the polish to the car tire side walls. हाँ, एक मिनट पहले टायर में स्प्रे कर देते हैं. रुको रुको, उसमें देने से नहीं होगा क्योंकि काफ़ी ड्राई है. এবার মুছে দাও কাপড় দিয়ে, মাঝে সাদাটা মুছে দাও. So we have taken care of the tire. Finally our job has been finished, and these are the products that I have used, and you can see the level of work that has been done. The tires, so you can see the level of slickness and gloss, and we have taken care of all the black claddings and tires also. It gives an almost sleek and glossy car. We have taken care of the roof also. So that's how you can easily detail your car at home. Very easy, just with 3 products and with minimum water.
Not to cover 24 hours.
And don't cover your car for the next 24 hours. That is also very important. So this is how you detail your car, and it's very simple. Anybody can do it. And I have shown you all the details. If you have any questions regarding this, please do comment in the comment section below. Thank you very much, and namaste, and please do subscribe.